Hello and welcome from CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. I've got today to show you this city camp car from Dreamer. I'm calling it a car because it doesn't have sanitary facilities, so therefore I can't call it a camper. It will sleep 4 and it costs 76,000 euros. It's 505 centimeters in length, but as far as cars go, it is quite luxurious. It does have some camping facilities, I can't deny that. One of those camping facilities is the tent in the roof. We can have a quick look at the tent in the roof from there. I know you can't see much, but the tent is up there. Right, we've got 2 seats in the back, very luxurious for a car. And if we want to make a bed here, what we do, you see we've got the mattress back here in 3 parts. We just pull that across and it goes over the chairs, both of which of course will be put down in this position, and that's how you make a bed out of it. It has this sort of camping block, can I call it that? Well, I'm going to anyway. And a bit of storage there. Here you'll find more storage. Often you find the fridge in that position if you want to put one in, and one burner. So it's a car with 1 burner in the sink, if you like. It's got also, in this case, it's got another chair at the back, and because of these rails you can put in all sorts of things as well. So for those who are interested in a car which got a bed in it, and I'm not suggesting there aren't people who might want things like that, then this might be just do the job. So there have been those who've criticized me for not calling this a camper. The reason I'm not calling it a camper is, for me, a camper has to be self-contained, meaning it's got hygienic facilities in the vehicle. That's to say, place to wash, place to shower normally, and a toilet. A toilet is absolutely essential. Of course, you can bring a toilet. You can bring one of these toilets, which is just a sort of a plastic bin with a plastic bag inside. You can bring one of these ones, or something similar can be brought with it. But I must say, the upholstery, to my way of thinking, is really good. Not that I know anything about upholstery. I'm about to do a video today with somebody who does leather upholstery in vehicles, and there I might learn a bit more about it. But to my eye, it looks very flash. I believe there is something about putting the seams, though, which upholsterers don't like. Anyway, that's I don't know. Right, let's have a look outside as well, because I think its body also looks quite nice. It's got this rather attractive rear to it, just like me, a rather attractive rear. And good. So if you want to know a little bit about what is making up this price, well, a lot of the stuff here, we've got the extras starting off 61,700. Now, some of these things, such as the documentation and this thing here, the delivery, well, you've got to pay that anyway. But the newer Ford Transit Custom with the Ford Echo Blue 2 litres, 170 horsepower, automatic. Okay, that's the biggest single cost added on to that. And the metallic paint as well, that's another 2,280. But anyway, I won't go through the whole lot of them. This can be put a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. So there you go. There's the city camp. Comes with a hat, one of these, and there you go. I don't know if it does come with that. That might be extra, so you'd have to put some more on the price in that case. But anyway, good. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Upload every day 21:15, and for the moment, all the best from me in Stuttgart.